Minister Devendra Fadnavis says 50% of nation's total FDI comes in state, shows investors faith in ease of doing business in Maharashtra. State celebrates the 350th birth anniversary of Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. Thank you, Mark. Hi and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I'm Shama Mishra. Let's see the news in detail. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that 50% of nation's total FDI comes in Maharashtra, which shows investors' faith in the state government's efforts towards ease of doing business. While inaugurating an Advantage Maharashtra Expo 2017 at Aurangabad, jointly organized by MTDC and Marathwada Association of Small-Scale Industries and Agriculture, Fadnavis said that government has brought all the processes on a digital platform and is making all efforts to generate more employment for youth. Chief Minister added that government is working to construct roads for better connectivity in and around Aurangabad with a spending of more than 1,000 crore rupees. Fadnavis also asserted that the government is ready to set up a permanent exhibition centre at Aurangabad and will extend all help if industries come up with a proposal. Maharashtra Legislative Assembly Speaker Haribhau Bagre, State Industries Minister Subhash Desai, along with many other leaders were present at this occasion. Today marks the 350th birth anniversary of Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. The day is also known as Prakash Parv. Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj was the 10th revered Sikh Guru. He was a spiritual master, philosopher and poet and known to have fought bravely against injustice, social differences and tyrannical establishments. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis took to Twitter to pay tribute to the brave leader. Various programs and pageants were organized across the state to celebrate the day, and Gurudwaras across the state are traditionally decorated. In Nagpur district of the state, the Kaldigar Satsang Mandal organized an Aarti and a grand procession to mark the day. Similarly, in Nanded district, various programs were organized. Gurudwara was adorned with colorful flowers and huge gathering of devotees were witnessed. A Maha-Aarti was also organized at Gurudwara along with a blood donation camp. MOU was signed between Chichpalli Forest Department and Ratan Tata's Trust today in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. The agreement comprised of setting up a bamboo training center which will be delivering skill-based training to rural and tribals, and the Tata Trust will collaborate in the move. The occasion witnessed presence of Minister of State, Home Affairs Hansraj Ahir, Cabinet Minister of Finance and Forest Sudhir Mungantiwar with local representatives. The training will nurture Chandrapur's development and contribute a share to Prime Minister's India Shine initiative, assured Tata Group head Ratan Tata.
सपोर्ट है महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर का हाथ पकड़ के साथ में इंडिया को आगे बढ़ेगा। दो तीन डेवलपमेंट में और चंद्रपुर बहुत आगे बढ़ेगा जरूर।
Famous playback singer Udit Narayan shares his memories of the year 2016 and wishes the viewers in his style by singing. Let's take a look.
नए साल की इस खास पेशकश में हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं पद्म भूषण उदित नारायण जी। उदित जी, आपका स्वागत है दूरदर्शन के डीडी न्यूज पे।
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। नए साल की यानी 2017 की आप सब लोगों को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। ये नया साल सभी के लिए खुशियां लेके आए। सब लोग खुश रहें, एक दूसरे से प्यार करें, एक दूसरे के सुख दुख में काम आए और देश को आगे बढ़ाएं।
अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि जो पीछे चीजें छूट जाती है उससे हमारी यादें जुड़ी होती है कुछ न कुछ। हम यही चाहेंगे आपसे कि आपकी क्या यादें जुड़ी थी 2016 में, उस बारे हमें कुछ बताएं।
2016 मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा। 2016 में भारत सरकार ने मुझे पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया। मैं भारत सरकार का हमेशा आभारी रहूंगा और मेरे फैंस का मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता रहूंगा कि उन्होंने मेरे गाने को, मेरी आवाज को इतना प्यार दिया, मुझे इतना आशीर्वाद दिया कि आज तक यानी 3 दशक के ऊपर हो गए, more than 3 decades I have been entertaining you all.
इस इंटरव्यू को समाप्त करने से पहले कुछ अल्फाज को चंद गाने आप गुनगुना दें।
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। All hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om. All cool boys come and make some noise and say Om Shanti Om. Om Shanti Om. Om Shanti 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 Om. Happy New Year.
Restaurants these days are emerging with unique themes in order to attract customers and to sustain in the market. But with money making, this business too is adding their bit to the society with a social cause. A unique restaurant in Mumbai has definitely changed the culinary landscape by adding philanthropy with flavors. More in this report.
Restaurant business in India is growing at a rapid pace, and to sustain in the competition, restaurants are coming up with unique themes and concepts in fine dining. A restaurant in Mumbai has a defining concept. It serves food along with a social cause. A field which requires skilled and abled employees for its smooth functioning, restaurant Mirchi and Mime is changing the notion of culinary landscape in India by hiring hearing and speech impaired staff. Forget about restaurant etiquette. Here at Mirchi and Mime, as the name hints, you have to gesture for your serves. The restaurant entirely functions on 25 hearing and speech impaired staff. The uniform of the waiters here read, "Sign language is my superpower, what's yours?" Prashant Isar and Anuj Shah, who thought up the concept, say they had been to sign restaurants in Toronto and Canada, which has only disabled staff, and wanted to introduce it in India, and so the introduction of Mirchi and Mime and Madira and Mime, their second outlet, came up in Mumbai.
बहुत ही प्यारे लोग हैं और जब हम अंदर आए और जिसने जो बात कर सकते थे उन्होंने हमको बहुत अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया था कि आपको कैसे ऑर्डर देना है। हम बहुत ही आसान तरीके से दे पाए और मैं अभी बार-बार आती रहूंगी।
The selection process of the restaurant consists of selecting employees from various NGOs and differently abled schools across Mumbai. An 8-week training program is held before selecting these employees. The owners and co-workers too are well versed with the basic sign language for the smooth functioning of the restaurant, as well as to create a friendly environment between the guest and the employees.
So हमने जब सोचा ये इंडस्ट्री मतलब ये रेस्टोरेंट खोलेंगे विद डिफरेंटली एबल्ड स्टाफ एंड डिफरेंटली डन क्यूजीन, हमें लीड मिली एक स्कूल की कॉल रोचीराम थड़ानी चेंबूर में है। आफ्टर मीटिंग उस स्कूल में जाके जाने के बाद वी वेंट टू अ जॉब फेयर, एक इंस्टीट्यूट बाय द नेम ऑफ नेसियो इन चेंबूर, जो हर साल वहाँ पे जॉब फेयर होती है फॉर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल, हर डिसेबिलिटी के लिए जॉब फेयर होती है। तो हमने हमारी स्टॉल दी वहाँ पे, तो हमने वो जॉब फेयर दी, वहाँ पे हमने 200 कैंडिडेट्स को शॉर्टलिस्ट किए, 200 कैंडिडेट्स। फिर हमने लैंग्वेज सीखी, फिर हमने ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल क्रिएट किए, क्योंकि ये वाली मॉड्यूल फाइन डाइनिंग में कभी एग्जिस्टिंग थी इन इंडिया।
With success and popularity, the owners are working on opening their outlets across country and abroad.